Hello fellow AI art enthusiasts, my name is Thane and another week has passed by with no big updates to Midjourney. So here is yet another set of 100s ref codes from Midjourney that I have explored for you. This time, we have the codes from 2100 to 2199. As usual, there is just one prompt for each style. You can also see some of the extra prompts in this introduction section. If you would like to see all of the extra prompts, and also all the prompts you see in this video, come over to my Patreon. I have them in a PDF format as a bonus for subscribers, along with earlier video releases that are ad-free. The names of the styles are made up, but I have seen some comments that they are quite useful when exploring other AI generators as well. But, without further explanations, let's just go look at the styles now. 2100 Cobalt Digital Glow. 2101 Crimson Acrylic Contrast. 2102 Saturated Anime Scenic. 2103 Sunset Pastel Overlay. 2104 Stormy Digital Fantasy. 2105 Electric Thunder Matte. 2106 Dreamlike Violet Render. 2107 Radiant Motion Brush. 2108 Twilight Rose Glow. 2109 Mystic Teal Glow. 2110 Sunset Melancholy Illustration. 2111 Pink Toned Fairytale Render. 2112 Nightfall Contrast Illustration. 2113 Lunar Dystopian Prints. 2114 Autumnal Watercolor Serenity. 2115 Muted Manga Drama. 2116 Soft Floral Serenity. 2117 Pastel Minimalist Dream. 2118 Golden Cel-Shaded Adventure. 2119 Vibrant Detailed Dreamscape. 2120 Dark Surrealism Etching. 2121 Honey-Toned Eco-Dwelling. 2122 Surreal Desert Sci-Fi. 2123 Warm Childhood Nostalgia. 2124 Pastel Gothic Nostalgia. 2125 Epic Quest Illustration. 2126 Bold Minimalist Pop Art. 2127 Sapphire Dystopian Realm. 2128 Dusky Blue Impressionism. 2129 Retro Magical Landscape. 2130 Heroic Adventure Illustration. 2131 Pastel Blossom Dreamscape. 2132 Textured Forest Abstraction. 2133 Simple Fairytale Illustrations. 2134 Tranquil River Brushwork. 2135 Blue Wireframe Dreamscapes. 2136 Dusky Red Serenity. 2137 Dynamic Windswept Illustration. 2138 Zen Dreamlike Scenery. 2139 Traditional Sumi-e Landscape. 2140 Monochrome Modernist Shadows. 2141 Moonlit Digital Fantasy. 2142 Dark Mythical Engravings. 2143 Vivid Abstract Impressions. 2144 Textured Minimalist Sculpture. 2145 Shadowed Heroic Journeys. 2146 Fiery Imperial Dreamscapes. 2147 Ethereal Space Shadows. 2148. Chromatic Flowing Surrealism. 2149. Sepia Anime Sketch. 2150. Ethereal Summer Escapes. 2151. Modern Minimalist Realism. 2152. Bold Graphic Narrative. 2153. Chaotic Abstract Collage. 2154. Gothic Anime Realism. 2155. Vivid Nature Daydream. 2156. Vintage Floral Collage. 2157. Mystical Line Art Pathways. 2158. Moody Medieval Adventure. 2159. Scarlet Veil Airbrushed. 2160. Mythical Forest Engravings. 2161. Floating Fantasy Landscapes. 2162. Ancient Eastern Adventure. 2163. Synthwave Urban Fantasy. 2164. Fairytale Evening Glow. 2165. Vibrant Pop Fantasy. 2166. Minimalist Floating Worlds. 2167. Fairytale Wilderness. 2168. Classical Ink Serenity. 2169. Idyllic Dreamlike Realism. 2170. Line Art Exploration. 2171. Retro Sci-Fi Animation. 2172. Futuristic Magenta Wilderness. 2173. Purple Twilight Dreamworlds. 2174. Muted Storybook Forests. 2175. Metallic Sci-Fi Illustration. 2176. Warm Retro Pop. 2177. Golden-Hued Traditional Illustration. 2178. Teal Mystical Illustration. 2179. Vibrant Digital Storybook. 2180. Stormy Castle Illustration. 2181. Minimalist Fantasy Inkwork. 2182. Epic Heroic Digital Art. 2183. Fluorescent Magical Portraits. 2184. Textured Sunset Brushwork. 2185. High Gloss 3D Fantasy. 2186. Flat Color Desert Fantasy. 2187. Lush Digital Watercolor. 2188. Muted Gothic Landscapes. 2189. Golden Sun Airbrushing. 2190. Magenta Blaze Vector. 2191. Sepia Matte 3D. 2192. Yellow Silhouette Stencil. 2193. Retro Linework Coloring. 2194. Magenta Haze, Futurism. 2195. Candy Pastel Watercolor. 2196. Slate Gray Underpainting. 2197. Electric Blue Fantasy Art. 2198. Blush Porcelain Doll Effect. 2199. Distressed Pastel Print. Alright, those were the styles for this video. I hope you found some interesting styles that you would like to try out yourself. Some of these I already may have featured in a few of the deep dive videos as well. I now have videos about monochrome, sci-fi, neon and cinematic style deep dives. So go check them out if you have not done so already. And I have plans for many more topics as well, so stay tuned. I am currently posting videos on a weekly schedule, with an aim to release videos every Sunday. I might not make it each time, but I am trying to get better sticking to this schedule and to make some more preparations for a video release in advance so my real-life plans would not interfere too much with my video release schedule. But I really thank you all for subscribing, commenting and liking my videos. And I thank you for watching this video as well. Let's continue prompting.